Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. And today we'll be talking about American Express membership rewards credit card. And let us have a look at the eligibility criteria, privileges, and the rewards and benefits program also in this. So the first and foremost, let's have a look at the American Express credit card. So it comes in the golden color with a very nice background, and this is how the membership rewards credit card actually looks like. Okay, so if you're opting for one, you would be getting the this kind of credit card. Now let's get ahead with the video and talk a little about the annual fee, because this is something that always hurts us whenever we are purchasing a credit card, because even if we are not doing much of the transaction, we'll have to pay an annual fee to the credit card company, right? So first we'll be talking about what happens when you apply directly without any referral, because this video is primarily being made to make you understand about this membership rewards credit card, and also for you to get the link, the referral link, and also apply it through that. And let's have a look at the benefits that you get when you apply through referral also. But before that, let me give you a brief overview of when you apply without referral. So in the first year, you'll have to pay 1,000 rupees plus applicable taxes if you're opting directly for this credit card. And second year onwards, you'll have to pay 4,500 rupees plus the applicable taxes whatever are available. Now when we come to the reward section, and let's have an understanding of the earning rate in terms of rewards. You'll earn one membership rewards point for every 50 rupees spent, but this 50 rupees should not be spent on fuel, insurance, utilities, cash transactions, and EMI conversion at point of sale, because these are some of those basic necessities that happens every month or every year, and this is something that cannot be taken away from our expenditure. But expenditures such as shopping in shopping mall, or dining somewhere, or going for a drink, or buying clothes, all these places you will be getting good amount of membership rewards for every 50 rupees spent. Today if we go to a mall and purchase a shirt, it would cost us close to 1,500 to 2,000 rupees, and you can imagine the number of reward points you would be getting if you do a transaction of that kind. But for fuel, insurance, and other etc things, you will not be getting any membership rewards. Now let's understand what kind of a welcome gift you'll be getting. You'll be getting a welcome gift of 4,000 bonus membership reward points, but you'll be getting this only for the first year on payment of the annual fee, and on spending of 2,000 rupees within the 60 days of card membership. And you will be getting this only if you go without a referral. If you go directly, this is the benefit, or this is the kind of cost that you will have to incur for getting those 4,000 bonus membership reward points. Okay, now let's move ahead and understand few more things about this credit card. Now let's have a look at the fee waiver. Now there should be an option for fee waiving, given the fact of our spending habits, right? So the annual membership renewal fee will be there, and it will be 100% waived off if you spend totally about 1,50,000 rupees and above in a preceding year. Now let's say if I have to pay my credit card bill for 2022, you'll have to make close to 1,50,000 rupees in 2021 for getting this 100% waivership of paying the annual fee, which would come down to around 4,000 rupees that we just saw in the previous slide. 4,500 rupees. Else, there is another option. About 50% annual membership renewal fee can be waived off if your total spends are between 90,000 to 1,49,999. So this is another way of getting a good amount of waivership in terms of the annual fee. Okay, now let's have a look at the limited period offer that you can opt for getting good amount of benefits using our referral link that we'll be mentioning in the description below. So if you go through the referral link, the first year would be completely free of cost, and you'll be getting 2,000 membership reward points as a referral bonus for being referred to American Express. So this is a dual benefit for you, and this membership reward points can be converted to money also, right? Now there is a special offer also. Get an additional 500 rupees worth Amazon gift voucher on successful card approval. Absolutely. Now features would be same, that is flexibility and convenience to pay your credit card bill fully or partially, and also opt for an easy monthly installments for paying back the amount of money that you spent on the credit card. And like I said, the annual fee will be completely waived off if you use our if you use our referral link. That is, first year fee would be 1,000 plus if you go directly, and this would be completely waived off or nil charges if you opt for the referral link that would be given in the description below. In the second year onwards, it would be just around 1,500 rupees plus taxes, wherein if we have a look at the one that I showed you before, it was 4,500 rupees. Now if you use the credit card referral link, you will get you will have to just pay 1,500 plus taxes. Now key benefits would be two supplementary cards at no additional cost. Absolutely, two supplementary cards can be given to your family members and it would come with no additional cost, and 24/7 card related assistance would be given, and also zero lost card liability also will be there, because there are banks in India, there are credit card companies in India wherein they charge you a good amount of money, close to 1,400 to 1,500 rupees, if at all. This liability is in place, and here it is a zero lost card liability offer is also put in place. Now let's move ahead and understand the key benefits that are part in this. So now every time you make a spend on credit card, the whole point is to earn reward points, right? So you will be earning around 1,000 bonus membership reward points for simply using your card, around four times on transactions of rupees 1,000 above and above every month. Now in a month there are 4 weeks, so even if in a week if you spend more than 1,000 rupees, and if you calculate for 4 weeks and you'll be spending it or using your card four times, you can earn about 1,000 bonus points every month. Such a good news for everybody who makes a purchases in Big Bazaar and those places for their groceries and stuff like that. Now, additional rewards on card renewal would be you can earn 5,000 membership reward points upon first year card renewal on payment of annual membership fee. Now, points to be credited within 90 days of card renewal. That is the small criteria put in place. Now, this membership points that you have got, which is called as reward points, you can redeem your points from the fabulous 18 karat and 24 karat gold collection that we'll be just talking in the next slide. Okay, and also, like I said, there is flexibility of payment. You can make your big purchase and also pay in EMIs. That's a very good option that is available in American Express, EMI, and many other credit card companies also have this option, but it's good to see even in American Express. Now, let's have an understanding of rewards program. The first thing would be 1,000 bonus membership reward points for the first standing instruction registered within 5 months of card membership. So within 5 months of card membership, if you make a recurring payment to the credit card using an option where you tick the option and you say that okay, every month pick money from this place, then you'd be getting 1,000 bonus membership reward points. And same thing here, about 50 spend, if you spend rupees 50, you'd be getting one membership reward points, except on utilities, cash transactions, and EMI, and also insurance and fuel. Now let's break down this rewards program into two parts. One part would be called as 24,000 membership reward points, which is also called as 24 karat gold collection, and the other one is 18,000 membership reward points, which is also called as 18 karat gold collection. Now under 24,000 membership reward points, you can choose between any of these. The first one would be Taj voucher worth rupees 14,000, or a Tanishq voucher worth rupees 10,000, or a statement credit worth rupees 9,000. These are the benefits if you have a close to 24,000 membership reward points. Now, if at all you have 18,000 membership reward points, you can choose between any of these. The first one would be Taj voucher worth rupees 9,000, wherein here it is 14,000, here it will come down to 9,000. And also, a very good option here is a travel e-voucher worth rupees 7,000 would be given to you. If at all you opt for this, and you can travel to places like Goa or domestic travel, you can visit many places in India with this 7,000 rupees vouchers. And also an Amazon e-voucher of rupees 7,000 will be given to you, or a statement credit worth rupees 6,000 can be opted from this rewards program. Now let's understand a little bit more about the offers and privileges that are in place here. You have the freedom and convenience to pay your credit card partially, fully using monthly installments, and also fuel convenience fee waiver, wherein if you make if you make a transaction at HPCL, you get a 0% convenience fee on fueling, right? So that's a good option here. The next one is, a lot of people who opt for credit card also go on dinings in the weekends, or if there are any office parties, they can utilize this credit card, wherein they can get about 20% every time you dine at select restaurants, up to 20%. If you make a bill of 10,000 rupees, you can get 20% off, and you just have to pay 8,000 rupees. And this credit card can be utilized for those people who are in managerial position, or in a very good position, who actually make transactions for their team and get a good discount, and also utilize that money for reimbursement in your company. So just on the lighter note. And also Amex Pay can give you a flexibility of making a contactless payment by scanning from your phone or to a QR code, wherein the payment would or be automatically made. Next would be this a good amount of services here, about 24/7 card related assistance, dispute resolutions, zero lost card liability, and also emergency card replacement. And two supplementary membership rewards. Credit cards at no additional cost. These two supplementary membership rewards credit cards can be utilized for your family. Like I said, there will be a contactless payment, and it can be enabled, and it will be a very easy process for you whenever you're making a transaction. Now, giving an example about dining at places that you like. One such example that I can give you is the beer club. If at all you are a weekend person, and if you want to go out there and dine with your family members or with your team from corporate office, you can get about 15% instant discount on all food and beverages, or with orders worth rupees 1,000 and above at these beer club restaurants. And also at Chili's, you can get about 15% instant discount on all a la carte menu orders at participating Pizza Express and Chili's outlets for delivery, takeaway, and dine in. So these multiple delivery options are also available. Now let's have a look at some of the eligibility criteria, because that's the most important part. Where if at all you're planning for applying for this American Express credit card, you will have to be a resident of India, and as per the Income Tax Act of India. And if you at all you are planning to change your residential status, you will have to inform the American Express Banking Corporation. Now you should have a personal annual income of rupees 6 lakhs and above. That's why I categorically mentioned that this would be very good for people who are in good positions in the corporate ladder and also managerial team, because they can use this card for paying for their team members and get reimbursed at good amount of price, and availing discounts in the credit card. Now you will have to be having an Indian savings or multinational banks savings or current account, and you should be having a current or a permanent residential address in India. And this credit card is available in select cities, for example, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, Pune, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Indore, Coimbatore, Chandigarh, Ahmedabad, Surat, and Vadodara. Most of the metro cities, the American Express card actually covers, right? And like said, for any transaction in the country, you have to be about 18 years of age. And if you have a very good credit history and no payment defaults, this card is for you. And if you're self-employed, your company has to be trading about for more than 12 months and more. Right, so these are some of the eligibility conditions, and I wish that you fall into all these categories and opt for this American Express credit card. Now, if you like this video, you can thank us from the comment section. And also, if you like this video, please press the like button, share this video to as many people as possible. And you can utilize the description section for getting into this rewards program using our link below, because it'll half your payment options. It'll half your amount of cost that you'll incur if you go directly and opt for the credit card. And utilize the referral link given in the description below. And yes, I hope you have a fantastic time using this credit card. Thank you so much.